Hey everybody, it's Ed the Old Tech Guy, and today I want to show you one of the best set of accessories for your brand new Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Are you a content creator? Will you use the S22 Ultra as a content creating device? Please tell me in the comments. Well, before you begin using this unbelievable piece of tech that fits in the palm of your hand, you need to protect it. In my opinion, the most vulnerable part of this phone is the camera lenses. In order to protect the lenses, I chose the Tenzia 3-piece plus 2-piece 9H tempered glass camera covers. The covers have metal individual rings to protect the sides of each lens. I chose them in the Phantom Black color because it matches my phone. The Galaxy S22 Ultra's screen is one of the most beautiful aspects of the phone, with its 6.8 Edge Quad HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2x Infinity O display at 30 by 88 by 1440 with 500 ppi at HDR10 certified at 120 Hz. Refresh rate is awesome. So awesome, that was kind of hard to say. I don't want to scratch it one bit at all. So let's protect it with one of my most favorite brands on Amazon, Spigen. They are a very well-known brand and very well-liked brand. The Spigen NeoFlex Screen Protector, designed for the Galaxy S22 Ultra, comes with 2 screen protectors, is case-friendly, preserves a clear screen with zero glare or rainbow effects. Its bubble-free application with zero lifting, wet installation is simple to do, and as of the time of recording this video, it's the best solution available. The 2 challenging aspects for any screen protector are the phone's curved screen and a proper working fingerprint sensor. The Spigen NeoFlex meets these challenges with ease. It also gives you time to correct mistakes during the installation because it's a wet installation. One thing to note as you squeeze all of the liquid out of the curved sides, you have to manipulate the sides using your fingers. Shoot some spray on your fingers and use your hand to manually squeegee the sides on the curved sides with your fingers. I know it sounds crazy. You'll see me do it here in just a moment. It makes total sense and it will make for a proper, clean, really nice installation. It's not shown in any of the videos that Spigen made, so hopefully this helps somebody out there. Make sure to install the NeoFlex screen protector in a clean area and that your hands are very clean, and continue to spray the included solution on your fingers and hands so that you don't leave fingerprints on the inside or outside of the screen. I have left links in the description to every one of the items shown here so that you can easily click on it and find exactly what I used in the video. And yes, they are affiliate links. I'm helping out my channel by providing just a little bit of surplus wherever I can get it and wherever it makes sense, while maintaining as much neutrality as possible so that I can bring you my opinion on these items. I use these items, I believe in these items, so I have zero issue with providing an affiliate link. The screen protector is case friendly, but to ensure compatibility, I chose the Spigen Tough Armor case. Spigen makes this case at a reasonable price, and it just makes sense for your wallet and for this phone. We've protected the camera lenses, we've protected the screen. Now we have to ensure that we protect the body. So the Spigen Tough Armor Extreme Protection Tech Case, that's its full name, guys, with all new foam technology for extreme layer of shock resistance, combined with TPU and Polycarbonate for dual protection from drops and scratches, reinforced kickstand, and raised lips to protect the screen and the camera, makes this a total armored package for your phone. Make sure that this expensive piece of tech stays looking like new. Now I'm going to go ahead and put some music on like I always do on my videos so that you can enjoy the rest of this without me chattering away. But I hope this helps somebody out there, and you know that this is your buddy, your friend, Ed the Old Tech Guy.